Excuse me. Hi. Can I talk to you for a minute? I'm a photographer. Can I take some of your photos for Instagram purpose? I mean, you're very confident. By chance, you're any model or what? You're a model. Okay. Like Pooja Hegade from Radhesha.
Okay.
So yeah, any one review about this experience you want to give in your native language?
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా
చెప్పండి తెలుగులోనే.
మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా
కమ్ ఆన్ చెప్పండి ఏమన్నా బాగా
బాగుంది
చాలా బాగుంది.
మీరు అప్రోచ్ అయిన విధానం
Okay.
అండ్ ద వే యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఇట్స్ టూ గుడ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ దాట్.
ఇంప్రెసివ్
ఇది తెలుగులో చెప్పుంటే ఇంకా ఉండేదే. లెట్ మీ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ మై సెల్ఫ్. మై నేమ్ ఇస్ అనిల్. వాట్స్ యువర్ నేమ్?
మై నేమ్ ఇస్ మేఘా
Megha.
యా మేఘా
Okay. Hi Megha, where are you from?
ఐ యామ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలంగాణ
Telangana.
యా
Okay, can you tell me something which is famous in Telangana according to you?
లైక్ తెలంగాణ లైక్ when it comes to Telangana it's Hyderabad.
Okay, it's Hyderabad.
Like Hyderabad is very famous for biryani.
Yeah, Hyderabad biryani,
Yeah,
dum biryani.
obviously. Yeah.
And also Guntur Mirchur, I think. And Guntur Mirchi.
You are talking Guntur, it's in Andhra Pradesh.
Okay, Andhra Pradesh and Hyderabad are different states.
Yeah.
Different
it got
states,
separated,
right?
Yeah.
How long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
It has been 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do for a living?
I'm studying in Reva University. I'm a BBA student.
BBA student.
Yeah.
So what do you want to become in future? Any ambitions you have?
Yeah, I have quite. It's a long list. I
Okay.
can't say it right now, but yeah, I have many goals and ambitions.
Okay, you want to become a business person?
Not
something like that?
really. I was just doing for like I want to get some degree, and I was more interested into modeling and. All
Okay.
this stuff.
Yeah, that's actually cool. You fill the bill. You fit the bill actually. Do you have any favorite actor of yours
Actor.
in general? It could be in any language, any industry.
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Prabhas actually.
Prabhas,
Yeah.
that India star.
Yeah.
Okay, did you see his recent movie Kalki?
Yeah.
How did you like it?
I loved it so much.
You loved it?
Yeah.
Any one movie you want to pick about Prabhas? Which movie would it be?
Radhesha.
Radhesha. Oh, very underrated movie. It actually
but I
flopped.
love it so much.
It actually flopped at the box office, but even I liked it. I like the movie, and I also like the concept that he predicts the future.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
he's the one who declared that Sonia Gandhi will declare some emergency, something like that. Even that concept was very good for me. Or do you have any song of yours which is favorite?
Favorite, like I will enjoy every music like Bollywood, Tollywood, Punjabi songs. I like for everything.
Okay, any one if you want to pick recently or any vintage one.
Not a vintage one, but I like the song Ishq. It's a private album.
Okay, Ishq.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll search that. Stand over there. Yeah, that's actually coming good. I mean, you're very confident. By chance, you're any model or what? You're a model. Okay, so these are the photos. Good, right?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, we'll do one very quick video of yours. Just walk towards the camera, like Pooja Hegade from Radhesha.
Okay.
Just walk casually, somewhere over here. Come. Yeah, that actually came good. So this looks very normal, but I'll surprise you with this.
Okay.
So yeah, any one review about this experience you want to give in your native language?
తెలుగులో చెప్పాలా
చెప్పండి తెలుగులోనే.
మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా
కమ్ ఆన్ చెప్పండి ఏమన్నా బాగా
బాగుంది
చాలా బాగుంది.
మీరు అప్రోచ్ అయిన విధానం
Okay.
అండ్ ద వే యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ ఇట్స్ టూ గుడ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ దాట్.
ఇంప్రెసివ్
ఇది తెలుగులో చెప్పుంటే ఇంకా ఉండేదే.
Telugu, I was quite like I'm not that good in Telugu. I know Telugu, but I'm not that good.
Anyway, that was very good of you.